Hi.
Hi Arushi, can you see me? Can you hear me clearly?
Yeah, I can see you and I can hear you clearly.
Perfect.
Nice to see you again.
Yes, nice to see you again. I was just going to tell you that it's been so long that we've
Yeah.
spoken.
Yes.
So,
Mm-hmm.
uh, have you gone through today's document?
I guess it's future.
Yes, we're going to talk about the future. So, are you excited?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm excited, but I'm quite confused because in last session I discussed about future. I'm not sure why I get this session document again.
Why you got it again? Okay. So, what we'll do is today we'll just
Mhm.
have a casual session and we can talk about whatever you want. Okay?
Okay, sure.
Cool. So, can I ask you a question?
Mm-hmm.
I really like your t-shirt. Where did you get that t-shirt from?
Oh, thank you. I bought it from Zudio.
Sorry? Gludio.
Zudio.
Zudio. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna remember that so I can research. Do they have guys t-shirts and all?
Yeah, they have.
Great. So Arushi, tell me, what do you want to talk about today?
Anything I can talk about anything. Mm,
Okay, so let's talk
you
about
suggest. Hmm.
yeah, yeah, okay. So let's talk about are you working somewhere right now? I'm sorry we haven't spoken in a while, so I don't really know.
Yeah. No, that's fine. Yes, I'm working uh, with the company.
Okay, great. So I wanted to basically talk to you about spending habits and shopping and other investments and things like that.
What habits you said?
Spending money, spending
Spending
habits.
habits. Okay, money spending habits. Okay, all right.
Okay.
Nice. Yeah.
So tell me, obviously, I'm sure you get a salary. You don't have to give me the amount. Okay. We won't discuss
Mhm.
in numbers. We'll just discuss
Yeah.
in general. Okay. So
Yeah.
in a month, what is the most like irresponsible expenditure of yours? Something you regret at the end of the month. Why did I do this? Why did I spend so much money on this?
Uh, Shopping.
Yes, definitely. But shopping for what?
Because that is something unnecessary. I mean, not nowadays it feels like unnecessary we are shopping because I'm not going anywhere. It's just like I'm shopping and keep the things in my cupboard, and cupboard it's just overflow with the stuff, especially with the clothes. So my mom is like, I will throw you out with I will throw you out with your clothes, which is not possible. So sometimes I feel like I'm wasting my money nowadays because whenever I feel like okay, I will use this now. I shop these things and I'm gonna wear these and I'm gonna go anywhere. So lockdown or something just happened and partial lockdown or something like restrictions.
How
So this
unlucky.
plan is like
It
ruined.
always ruins your plans.
Yes, it always ruins my
Is
plan.
this t-shirt one of those unnecessary expenditures?
No, not at all. This I used to wear this t-shirt in office 1.5 year back.
Okay.
Now, yeah,
Okay, okay. That's good. So basically you've gotten full value out of this t-shirt, right?
yes.
That's great. I love hearing that, honestly. So let's talk about why you buy these t-shirts. And no, this is not you in therapy. I'm not I'm not trying to analyze you. I just want to know because since I'm facing the same issue actually. So
Mm-hmm.
since at the end of the month you regret something. Why did I buy these? I'm not going to wear them. Why do you do it again and again? That is what I want to know. And if you don't want to answer these questions, we can move on to something else, okay? If you're
No,
uncomfortable.
you mean that when I know I'm going to regret, then why I'm doing this, right?
Yes.
I didn't know that I am not going to use these things. I said I told you like I was planning like we will be going somewhere or office will going to start or something like that, or maybe someone will get married so I'll get a chance to attend their
Hmm.
wedding and all these things. But these things are not happening because of the situation, pandemic, and though it gets normal sometimes, but we are like little bit frightened with the incidents happened then or before,
Happening.
and that's why yeah, happen and happening, and that is the reason we cannot like step ahead or move ahead to like go beyond the current situation because no, we don't know, maybe we will have to face repercussions of these things, that's why.
Wow, nice, nice, good
So
vocabulary.
yeah.
I'm very happy to hear that. Okay, so my problem, the problem that I am facing is with ordering food online because
Okay.
I stay up really late. I stay up till 3 or 4 in the morning, and by 12 or 1, I'm already hungry. So I feel like calling for food, and then I end up spending about 2, 3, sometimes 500 rupees per meal. And obviously, I'm married, so when I'm ordering food, my wife is like, "Oh, cool, even I'll have," and I'm like, "Oh my god, now I have to spend more." So then I end up spending
Oh.
like 500, 600 bucks sometimes. So like at the end of the month, all these expenditures they pile up. So
Right.
it starts off at 200, but then when you sit and count, like at the end of the month, how much you spend, it comes down to about 3 or 4 thousand, and that's money that could have been saved, or at least not, if not saved, spent on healthier things, like say healthier options, right? Like I could
But
spend that money
if
to get snacks and then have those snacks at
yeah,
night.
but if you're spending this money on food, so it is not like you're gonna regret for that, or it is not worth, or it is not something unnecessary, right? Food is something you really want and you wanted to eat, because I
I
was
mean,
about to say that I'm spending much money on food, but then I realized that it is not unnecessary. That's
see,
why I
that's the
said.
thing. It's not that I'm calling for dinner. I have
Mm-hmm.
my dinner at 10, 11. Like today, I'm going to have my dinner at 12 o'clock because my sessions are there till 12 o'clock. But then I end up calling for food because I'm just bored and hungry. And I end up calling for junk food, like I'll call for a pizza or I'll call for a grilled cheese sandwich. And then I gain weight. And then it's just like a very, very weird cycle where it's just harming me, it's not improving my health. That's what I'm worried about. So if it was just dinner or lunch, then yes, it is
Mm-hmm.
an investment. It's not, some sort of expenditure, like waste expenditure. But this is me just being, I guess, stupid. I don't know if stupid is the right word, but
Okay, now I am trying. I mean, I understand that you are at home, right? You
yes,
can easily have homemade home cooked food. You are
yes,
not supposed to order food, or it is just because you wanted to, or you were getting bored or something like that. So you
yes,
can save that money, right?
exactly. That is why I'm regretting it.
Yeah,
But the
yeah. I
worst part
understand.
is, it's not that I'm not having home cooked food and then ordering.
Mm-hmm.
I'm having it, then I again get hungry, then again I call for food. And
Don't
now
tell
I'm
me
worried that if I
that.
keep doing this, I'm going to get very fat.
Yeah, of course, because we are sitting. I mean, whatever you're working, you are tutor, so you have to sit whole day and
Definitely, yes.
do your work. So
I'm
it
not
is
even
not good
active,
for
honestly.
you.
Only on Saturday and Sunday, I go to play football with my friends, which is not healthy.
I mean, now also you go and play football. I mean,
I
in
mean,
this
it just
situation.
started because the pandemic over here has, like, the rules have become a little less strict now.
Mm-hmm.
So they've reduced the restrictions. So if there are under 10 people, then we can go play.
You're in Mumbai, right?
Yes,
Okay, that's nice. You have started playing.
I have to, or else I'm just going to end up becoming fat. Very, very fat.
So Saturday, Sunday, you get off, or you? I mean, I don't think Clapping Go gives off on weekend.
So, as a speaker, I get to decide when I want to take sessions. So,
Okay.
um, I can't explain the whole procedure because it will take a long time. But
Right.
basically, I tell Clapping Go that hey, on this day at this time I'm free, and then that is
Mhm.
what the clients see when they when they book sessions, right? So you know how you go
Yeah.
Monday at 6 o'clock in the evening, who's available? So that is what
Yes.
you see, the information that we give to Clapping Go.
Okay, right. Yeah. If you're not
So you
available,
can
your name won't pop up, right, for that particular day.
yes, yes,
Okay.
exactly. So Saturday Sundays I taken off because I spend time with my family, or I'm going out to meet my friends, or I'm just being busy, I'm sleeping.
Oh, wow, nice. That's
Yeah.
great.
What about your routine? Do you think you have like enough activity in your routine?
The worst thing is that I don't get off on Sunday. I just get off on Friday and Saturday. That's what my project is. So it
How
is
Friday
quite
and
not.
Saturday? That's so awkward.
Yeah, exactly. Because we work for UAE and uh,
Ah, okay.
Dubai. That
Yeah,
is
so
the
because
reason.
of yeah, I know Friday is what is that called? Jumma,
Friday is
right?
their yeah,
Yeah,
exactly,
Jumma.
Jumma,
Okay.
and that is the reason we have to work on a Sunday, and it feels like somebody is beating us, and we have no option. We just let them beat us. Like,
It's
okay.
worse because, I used to have a job like that before Clapping Go,
Mm-hmm.
and it's so bad because it's good that you're getting 1 or 2 days off. That's fine because you need your rest from work. But
Yeah.
if you don't have anything to do, it becomes the whole day gets wasted. And the worst part is Sunday you're working and everyone else is chilling around you and your friends are making plans and you can't go because you're working. And it's so irritating.
Exactly. My friends still tease me for working on Sunday, and now it's fine because we are working from home. But earlier I used to go to office, so people were like, "It's Sunday." She is. I mean, I used to use company transport, so
Hmm.
I have to wait there at some point. So
Oh, basically
people
like
were
the
like
pickup point.
staring me. Yeah, pick a point. Yeah, and
So they were
people were
staring
like
at you.
staring. Yeah, exactly, staring at me, and like, it's Sunday. I mean, what they must
Where is
have.
she going?
They must be wondering that how. I mean, in which company she's working that they're calling her on Sunday. So
Hmm.
it's
But are you
funny.
happy with your job? Are you happy with everything?
Yeah, I'm happy, quite happy with everything. The only thing I don't like is working on Sunday, but that is also fine
That's
now
a
because
very
I'm
small problem, I think, honestly, because
right.
now, like now that I'm listening to like news channels and I'm hearing all
Mm-hmm.
these stories, and I feel so bad because I complain about such silly things, and there are such bigger like there are so many problems that are actually more important and bigger, right? You get what I'm
Exactly.
trying
And
to
the thing,
say?
I mean, I'm getting 2 days off in a week, and most of my friends don't get two
They
days
don't,
off.
yeah, exactly. They don't get, even I don't get 2 days off in a
Mm.
week. So,
So yeah, that is, I should be satisfied with whatever I'm getting. Otherwise, I cannot be happy.
yes, exactly.
Right. That's
So
right.
I always keep wondering, that as so in India, you know how it is with guys and girls. Like they expect girls to, study, know how to cook, and get married, right? I don't know if this is a controversial topic, okay, but obviously the trend is changing now. All even my wife, like I told her that when I met her initially, I told her that I don't want to marry anyone who is not passionate about their careers, right?
Oh,
Because it becomes an idle mind. It's like what will you do sitting at home all day, like, and it's not just 1 or 2 days, it's like for like years you're just going to sit at home and do nothing, so it becomes a problem. So
yeah.
we were talking, I completely forgot why I started talking about this. What was I talking about? Why did I start this conversation? I forgot.
That's fine. But I felt really good when you say that. I mean, when you said like when you met her first time, you ask, "I'm not gonna marry you if you're not
No, no, I didn't say it like that.
ambitious." And I
Genuinely.
mean, you have that mindset, so I'm just
Yes.
happy to hear that. I mean, people like you exist. That's
I
so
think
nice.
I think it's becoming very common now, and considering how expensive India is nowadays, I think it's needed. It's
Maybe you are in
very,
Mumbai, that's why you're saying that it's
yes,
becoming very
definitely.
common. But I don't think so. I don't think so. I still don't think so. I want that, but I don't find it very often. It's very rare. That's why I said I felt very good when you said that.
So what about you? What have you decided, like, in your future? Obviously your parents are going to ask you whether
Yeah,
you want to
yeah.
get married, or at whatever age it is, okay? So what are your views about marriage? Do you want to talk about that? Are you comfortable with that topic?
Yeah, it's fine. We are not talking about my marriage. We are just talking about common concept, right?
Yes, but
So
your
yeah,
views.
yeah, exactly my view. Of course, I really want a person who would value. I mean, uh, I'm working, right? I have worked so hard to reach here, so I'm
Yeah.
not gonna waste this effort. And I would like to have a person in my life who would value my efforts and would allow me to work. Why allow me?
No, yeah, I was just gonna say that. Don't say that. It's not allowed
Why
to say that anymore.
why allow me? I mean, he should be
They would
okay with
support you and help
exactly,
you grow, right? So
exactly.
both of you can grow equally and together.
Exactly, exactly. And I have a story like we both will be working, and the one who
Oh, you have like a fairy tale in your mind.
not fairy tale. It's that's what I want, and I'm
It's your
gonna
wish.
do this in future, no matter who will be the person. But yeah, I have decided this.
Within 30 seconds, tell me, I'm curious.
Okay, so we both will be working, and the
Hmm.
one who comes home first is
Will
going to
cook,
cook for that particular day. Yeah.
definitely.
This is final. I'm not gonna change this for anyone.
Boys are smart, okay? He's just gonna end up telling you, "Acha, office mein kaam hai, I'm coming home late." Every day he'll tell you that only.
Every day he cannot. Then I will also become very smart.
So basically, it will be like you guys will leave at 7 in the morning and then come back at 2 o'clock at night to see who comes home later.
Then next day he won't get any food.
I
Next day
think a
also
better
we
way
have.
to do it is 3 days you cook, 4 days I'll cook, and then the next week 4 days I'll cook, 3 days you cook. You have set days.
Then mhm.
Tell me.
Then for 3 days also he will make excuses like I have this and that. And guys are very smart.
Then you
Like
don't
I
cook for the next 4 days. You also make excuses.